being alone. There's no one to hold you when you're cold. The worst of being alone is no one to laugh with you when you're old. Not a soul to tell of what you've read or all your thoughts. Not a soul to help you when you're down and out and distraught. There's a little voice inside who will never leave until you're gone. It'll never disappoint you, leave you high and dry or do you wrong. Tell me, when will you show up? When will you show me who you are? I wanna care for you, honey, show you the moon and the stars. But you gotta shoot me a sign like with an arrow, but never go too far. 'Cause there's an angel, baby, waiting to love you for everything that you are. I said that there's an angel, baby, waiting to love you for everything that you are. It takes no courage